I do this in every city we go to all around the world. So I'm making no objection with you guys. What I want you to do right now, if you're feeling a little crazy, is put your fucking fists in the air like this. Let's see those fists. Fists. When I count to three, I want you to spin on the spot. I want you to spin on the spot. I want you to look like you can't together, but it's gonna be fucking badass. So Manchester, let me see the Manchester right now.
Till